Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let us see the plan of action on Nifty, Bank Nifty and 5 best intraday stocks to trade on 9th October to generate some intraday profit. If there is any change in my levels or any nice setup or pattern forms in the live market, I will update in my Telegram channel as well as in my WhatsApp. The link is given in my description, so join using that link. And those who like to join in my premium intraday group, that is in WhatsApp, they too could join by sending me a message to the number 9030 For this, you have to pay a small fees of around 2500 per month, which you could earn in a day itself. The accuracy level is 70 to 80%. So those who are really interested, they can join just by sending me a text message. Now first let us see the plan of action on index, that is Nifty and Bank Nifty, and then we will discuss in detail on some stocks for intraday. So this is the price of action on Nifty. As I told you other day that if Nifty breaks this neckline, because it formed inverse head and shoulder, so once if it breaks this neckline, that is 19,580, you can go for a buy. You see what happened? Nifty, it opened the gap up and again it came near this 19,580 level, so it made around some 19,589 level. So from there it made a pullback, again it came down, and again after that you can see it broke this high and made around some 680 levels. So in my video I told you once if it breaks above this level, you go for a buy. Stop loss will be some 30 to 40 points downside. Target will be some 40 to 45 first, and the second will be 50 points. So in total I told you some 90 points. So almost exactly it done 90 points in Nifty. So those who bought, those who would have bought in this level, they could have easily gained a very good profit in today. Now let us see the plan of action for tomorrow, that is on 9th October. So assume that Nifty opens flat, that is near this level, and then if it sustains near this trend line, and then if it made a breakout, you can go for a buy. That is 19,680 level in 15 minutes time frame. So once Nifty breaks this level and closed and formed a positive candle after breaking 19,680, and the following candle has to break the previous candle high, then you go for a buy. So initial target will be some 19,730 to 19,740 level, and ultimate target will be 19,800 level will be your ultimate target in Nifty. So this is if Nifty opens flat, and then if it sustains near this trend line, and then if it breaks, you can go for a buy. This will be a first scenario. And second scenario is, suppose assume that Nifty opens gap up near this level. So all you have to do is just wait for a small correction or retest near this trend line. Once if it gets a support near this trend line and any positive candle formed in this area, in this support trend line, then you go for a buy. Positive candle formed here, you go for a buy. Like you have to see positive pattern also, because that is also very important, but that you have to see in lower time frame. In lower time frame, any positive pattern like double bottom breakout or inverse head and shoulder breakout, once if it breaks the neckline, you can go for a buy. Just keep some 30 to 40 points stop loss, and initial target will be, as I told you early, 730. Ultimate target will be 800 level in Nifty. And Nifty selling at present till here, every dip you can buy, you can go for a buy. So buy on dip strategy. Suppose if Nifty opens gap down And here if it sustains for some time and then if it made a breakout, you can go for a sell from here itself. So this 580 is very important level. Once if Nifty cannot sustain above this 580 and the negative candle formed after breaking this 19580 level, then you should see in 15 minutes time frame what is happening. In 15 minutes time frame, if it breaks 19580 and closed below this 19580 and the next candle has to break the previous candle low, then you go for a sell. Keep some 30 to 40 point stop loss on the upper side. Target will be 19540 level will be your initial target, 540, and ultimate target will be 19500 level will be your ultimate target. Or 480 level also you can keep in Nifty. Second target, that is 19,480 level. So I hope you understood the Nifty. Now let us see Bank Nifty. If you see Bank Nifty, this is the very beautiful trend line is formed. Here you can see it touched multiple times and it got rejected. So tomorrow the same happens near this level, that is 44,550 level. Any positive candle formed in this level after opening flat and sustains near this level, and then if it made a breakout, you go for a buy. So the initial target will be in 44,730 level. Initial target 44,680 level, and the ultimate target will be 44,800 level will be your ultimate target. So initial target will be some 100 to 125 or 150 points will be your initial target always, and ultimate target will be some 125 to 175 level. So see that accordingly, and then do once if Bank Nifty breaks this trend line as well as this minor horizontal resistance level. Now let us assume that suppose Bank Nifty opens gap up near this level. Suppose if it opens gap up near this level, you have to wait a small pullback, and here you should see what type of pattern is forming. Once any positive pattern formed near this level, support level, so from there if the neckline breaks, you go for a buy, especially in smaller time frame. So double bottom pattern is formed or inverse head and shoulder pattern is formed near this level. So accordingly you just go for a buy after breaking this neckline. Keep some 70 to 80 point stop loss. Initial target will be, I told you, 44,680 level. Ultimate target will be 44,800 levels. This is in case if Bank Nifty opens gap up. So selling I will prefer only once if Bank Nifty breaks this level, because Friday fully Bank Nifty respecting this trend line. So after opening gap up, it made a low here, and then from here you can see a rally. Again it made a correction and exactly it touched this red trend line. Again it made a pullback. Again it came here. So for the past 2 days you see Bank Nifty respecting this trend line. Suppose Monday if Bank Nifty breaks this trend line, you can see some pressure in Bank Nifty. So 44,275 level is very important level. Once if it breaks, you go for a sell. The initial target will be 44,180 level, and ultimate target will be 44,000. That is psychological level of 44,000 or 44,050 level. That will be your ultimate target. 44,000 to 44,050. That range will be your ultimate target in Bank Nifty. So suppose if Bank Nifty breaks this level. Suppose assume that Bank Nifty breaks gap down and opens here. So all you have to do is just wait for a pullback. So again in this trend line, any negative candle or negative pattern form, again you can go for a buy, keeping some 70 to 80 point stop loss, or you keep this horizontal resistance level as a stop loss and wait for a target of 44, 170, 180 level, or Second target 44,000 to 44,050 will be your ultimate target. So I hope you understood Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now let us see some stocks for intraday. So the first stock is Jindal Steel. If you see Jindal Steel, this is the very strong support for Jindal Steel for short term. That is for on Monday. So you can see here it formed a type of double top pattern is formed here. Once this will be your trend line, as well as this will be your strong support. So Monday, if this stock breaks this level, this support level, you can go for a sell. So sell Jindal Steel below 681, stop loss 688, target 678, 675 and 670. So plan these three target, keeping 688 as a stop loss for Jindal Steel. Now let us see the next stock, that is UPL. If you take UPL, this also you can see a very superb trend line is formed in UPL. So it touched multiple times this UPL, but it couldn't able to break this trend line. But Friday it's broken and closed above this level. And here you can see a small horizontal resistance level also is there. So Monday, if this breaks, that is this horizontal resistance level breaks, you can go for a buy. So buy above 614, stop loss 608, target 619 and 625. So these two are the target in UPL. The next stock is Bharat Forge. If you see Bharat Forge, here also you can see a horizontal resistance level is here, as well as you can see it formed a very good trend line also is there. It touched multiple times but couldn't break. So tomorrow, if it breaks both, that is this resistance as well as this trend line, you go for a buy. Buy about 1097, stop loss 1085, target 1105, 1111 and 1125. So keep this or plan these three target with the stop loss 1085. Now let us see the next stock, that is Tata Chemical. If you take Tata Chemical, here you can see it formed a type of symmetric triangle pattern. So once Tata Chemical breaks this upper trend line, you can go for a buy. As well as here you can see it formed a horizontal resistance level also. So once tomorrow, if it breaks upper trend line, you go for a buy. Suppose fail to break and breaks the lower trend line, you can go for a sell. So two options is there in Tata Chemical. If it breaks this level, you buy. If it breaks this lower trend line, you sell. So buy above 1016, stop loss 1005, target 1022, 27 and 35. Suppose if it breaks this level, stop loss and target I will update in my Telegram channel as well as in my WhatsApp. And the next stock is ABB. If you take ABB, this also you can see a very beautiful trend line is formed here. As well as here you can see it formed a type of inverse head and shoulder pattern is formed here. So this will be your left shoulder and this will be your right shoulder and this will be your head. So once breaking of this, you can go for a buy. And here this trend line as well as this horizontal coincides here. So this is area of confluence. Once if it breaks this level, you can go for a buy. Buy above 4150, stop loss 4125, target 4165, 4180 and 4200. So plan these three target, keeping 4125 as a stop loss. So I hope you understood in Nifty, Bank Nifty and some 5 best stocks to trade on 9th October. So keep these stocks in your watch list and do the trading. accordingly. If you read, if you really like my video content, if you want to support and motivate me, all you have to do is just give a thumbs up to this video, hit the like button, share this video with your trading friends and families, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.